a picture of an eye. He will picture a phone, you know what? Hello?
Hello?
Hello, my sister. Good evening.
Hello, good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. God bless you.
What? Ma'am.
No, but you call me from Lagos.
Hello, ma'am.
No, but you call me from Lagos today.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, na me, ma'am.
Okay, now your picture be this.
Yes, I'm my picture.
How many how many kilo you say they weigh?
I'm about 70, ma'am.
170 kilo. All weight. No.
Yes, ma'am.
So she weigh 100.
Yes.
Wait, she weigh 170 kilo. You know what I know my member go. So now she be this. Any of you are not any gualoku.
Mommy, I know that. I'm not saying they always smile. They always
to me, they follow me, so I must laugh. It's a yellow. 170 kilo. Me, I hope the book will not me marry. It's good to say the truth. A book will be marry. Very nice. A book evon. Are we a gualojo? How old are you?
38, ma'am.
38 years. She's a graduate. What do you say you get? A diploma. She have a, let me explain it to them. So
Diploma for marketing.
She have a diploma.
I get diploma for marketing. Diploma for marketing.
She have a diploma for marketing. Wait, make I explain to them. There are many people, they don't know what they call diploma. She have a diploma for marketing. She's 38 years. She's a graduate. She's looking for a man from abroad. She live in Lagos. You understand? She weigh 170 kilo. I like you. If I be married, I'll for marry you. Don't be like. You know, say some men, they go say you too fat. Now people like you, now me they like. Everyone about her.
Yes.
But she did nice guy. 170 kilo. She have a how you call him? Diploma. Diploma of marketing. If you are a man, even if you don't have a diploma in marketing, she's going to marry you. Even if you not even go primary 6. What of the man not go primary 6? Maybe she not go primary 6, you call.
English.
Okay, so far it's a bit speak preach, even if you not go primary 6. Okay, now we want you to introduce. We want you to introduce yourself. Where do you come from? Where do you come from? What are you doing for a living? Introduce yourself. Hey, hello. Introduce yourself.
I come from Edo State.
Edo State, Ekpoma, from Ekpoma.
I come from Edo State. Yes. Yes, ma. Yes, ma. From Ekpoma. I did two people they sell party for it, so they sell land and house.
So she, you know, so the land. She came from Ekpoma. She's Asian. But now in Lagos, she dey stay. She go school where when be say he get the 70K level now this say. If your husband tell you say go school, if you not get diploma, you not go school. So now if your husband get diploma or your wife get diploma, those are the people who went to school. She have a diploma, but you not care, brother. Even if you might always okpan wetin azebo simple English. No do muye. Elle left where I go where see me.
I speak broken.
I was okpan go as broken. So far you can speak broken. She goes to marry you. Sure. Very fine. Where your papa? Where your mama?
Make your assist me talk to me.
Oh, when you pass here because of Soho.
Even be 50 or
5.6. Medima be how many?
Ma?
Medima be how many?
Maybe 6 feet. 6 feet.
6 feet.
Yes.
Okay, when I 6 feet, at least what of the man comes small? We get one away, write me message, and it's small, it be like Ochomule. You know our governor, our ex-governor of Edo State. It go too small for your chest.
Yes. Okay, Ochomole. Okay.
The man be like
Okay, no
Ochomule.
problem. So far, he loves me. If you take care of me, don't wahala.
You know even they select.
No wahala.
Oh no, we here. Oh, small man not good for you.
No, now you get good mind. Now you get good mind. You go fit take care of me. Now they look for.
God, one more. Don't worry, no need no bargain way. I know I call you number come out. Me not call they take you me yeah. I know I call your number come out for my live video.
Yeah,
If
no,
anybody
mommy,
if anybody day, I go give her your telephone number.
Anybody will be the same with you.
Omaro brother domu. If America te like egbe ma be yana. Epa ware line here, bros. Una dey line. I want me you speak American English because American people be they like people like you. And Italian people, and Spain people, and France people.
Oh.
I want me you speak American English. You go school now. Or you speak and with the listing.
Okay. I'm single. I'm 38 years old. I'm from Edo State. And I'm searching, looking for a man that will love me and cherish me. A good man that will love me and my family. A man that will be there, that will always be proud of me.
Yo.
I'm a real estate agent. Real estate agent in Lagos State.
In a year what it also. He said she be real estate agent, meaning yani he ticket no man of area webo. Yani he ticket flights, yani we visa flights. When no say way
No, mommy. No, people they say no. Mommy, now what they say house and land. No be like
pronounce them again. May you pronounce them again.
Real estate agent. People where they sell houses and land for Lagos State.
Okay, now you be I just send a ticket to the say sorry. You know, sir, no go school rich like that.
Yes.
Okay, be one just be explain out to those who don't understand.
I understand, mommy. I know.
So I'm not here.
I know.
Epa egekwemu agaye or what day nice or J school. So that do I help you where we are mumoto. We mumoto rari Nigeria. Or we happy where we are maybe no not say ya gwa no no go we feel be. You hear you got feel be no you know. You hear you got feel be no try no lele. Okay, brother, me why I'm wearing or day nice. Are you a Christian?
Yes, mommy, Christian.
Okay, no worry. By the grace of God, man will come out today. Okay, bye.
Amen.
Okay, now bye. Why go ekwemuwa bros? Epa, why go ekwemuwa? She's beautiful on a height, on a back and front. Bolo me emi rokpa. Wa when I was joggy with compound one. So anybody know anything like who call it Baba now? Who mommy Jory like you only more out there webo or in Nigeria or webo gwalo. So you only hear me ba me ni Catable we what call it Baba now when mommy Jory like you only one more out there webo ya mare call it. Esa oh yeah. Hello, God bless you.
Majority of one of Paris.
Society, well, tell me what you call it?
Society, Mom, Jamie can call it anyway, Kevin.
Okay.
It is a message, play voice recording. Reply me. Take a rich mommy. Mommy, in fact, you may have time, who are you not a somebody me? It never was up or a Japan, he will love you. I beg you, ya we put in one ya.
You say.
Le wa fi wa. Ite igwali yubo.
Yo
Lu
bono.
ko lo ko pon ti we na gwale asin igwalo do. Ni ahun. O ko ni ahun igwalo.
Ni me wa so ba we mare.
You know the aje.
O sala ba we se we wa calling. Ni me wa show a picture get ba we wa mare wa ke komo ade e lowo. So you have to we are one money what they available. You that was dropping now. Oh, when I walk call.
Me drop a message in way now. He said no about you. Who said anything? Who do I don't know about me? I call it. My way back.
Muziane. Yale no bag no we carry me in. Okay, can I no when my video call the woman making a beg away. Don't like you.
Okay, mommy.
When my video call. My phone where a video call no making a beg away. Mutia. Nene lo ya tsewe. Atiku hello. Kama na is Sunday na wa be to me testimony. Okay, when I can bros. Wa bere ya brother. Atiku o me go no ya de a ticket. Kode de woman e koje.
Tomorrow.
Okay. Go me send the picture egwe. Baba ma.
So follow no e mata.
O me mata wa no. O Jes ko wa ko no bia ma Jes ku yan amu. Won go me send the picture egwe. Ya ma filma. Okay.
Tomorrow.
Yo, what dey nice. Yo. What dey nice. Wa mutia. Ka send the picture up a picture the woman. I'm gonna be like hey.
Okay, I check it.
We check it na we were lani na. Oge awu na. Unu wa temata kosinye watch we na do ma be like wo we ta. Ome diploma. When I get diploma.
Diploma. How cha be pomo.
O ga be diploma mo ga unchi o mo ge po mo ge Lagos. So
Okay.
international agent.
Do sha very meje. I lost something big anyway, you know, I'm okay.
Oko le like. Temata. Akwa ire no do aya be go we mo mi jode ma mo kwesi inu e. Ugele like ya.
Pade na me egbe sa we no wa lo egbe sa di na. Pa no wa me good picture because the family me am yeni egbe yes. I wa ro mo mi.
A family wa mi iya gele e wo ko gele mu.
Like any cho yes paro no won yin no.
So me are no bag nu we baba nana. Nu wa wo igbagun.
3
Oma.
9 3
Oh dear. Why get by? Hello. Wa mi number wa gwa direct. O site we call.
No, mo no ba talk be, you are talk be.
He said.
But I want to say one of Italy no.
Okay.
Come on me.
See.
Agbagbon alogo ba alogo bo kan ko ni. Number 1.
Iyo be gbera meje, ogbera ne na be towe won la wo gbera ne if no who be to gbere gbe amu me.
Okay, mommy.
Ogbera ne.
Come on me.
See.
Mana ba na ta ti. Ciao.
Ya be gwe. Hello, gwe fi abo. Hello.
Hello, mommy, you are talk be ba mi talk be.
He said.
Mommy, my testimony, oh, you can't really wear, you know, Tama wear, Mina. Salobana we wear, you know, Mina Nigeria. You worry me now, or Tira and no wound. Ona wa tota na wa mo ebo mo bo. Pe no wa ya mo ebo mo bo na wa rule gbere na wa mi ebo ni na wa mo fi oto na wa yo nya. So eri ara o bi mi na sa lo gba we se o iwe jonare. O mi yore we se re pe na sa we se.
O sa we se. Ko afia gbo sa gwero e.
Isa,
Hello, God bless you. Anybody?
Hello?
Hello, God bless you.
Hey, Mommy Yore. Good morning from Malaysia. Yes, good morning from Malaysia.
Okay, God bless you.
Yes, my name is Jacob.
Okay.
I work here in Malaysia. I'm one of your fans. I used to follow you online. Okay, and I see the woman you posted on this thing now because I'm following you every day.
Okay.
I'm interested to marry the woman.
But manager?
Yes. I stay in Lagos. I stay at Obalende in Lagos.
You are from where?
I'm from Osun State.
What's the name of your shortage?
I'm from Osun State.
Okay, you be Yoruba?
Yes. Yes, I'm the Yoruba man.
Okay, no problem. What's it go happen now? You go call me tomorrow. But now Europe, she said she won't come. Oh.
Okay.
I be manager, I be like Europe, be like Europe.
Okay.
Now very nice girl.
Hello?
Hello, I'll talk with her if she wants.
Okay.
I
really like that. I don't mind about the fact. I don't mind about our weight.
That is good.
Yes, I heard everything about her information.
Okay. Fat will not be anything now. What it be fat?